Alrighty, so welcome to my lovely homepage here. We've seen this often, but what I want to show for this assignment is the Icebreaker FlipGrid. I have it underneath the week 1 tasks. I do need to update the this week's to-do to include that. So I do it in a forum way. I've been slightly hesitant, honestly, of using FlipGrid simply because I kind of had some tech issues with it. It's not as intuitive as I was hoping, but it is cool to see videos of people and stuff. So I may just do one or the other, but one thing that will likely be difficult with this is grading, right? Like making sure everyone participates because of it being a URL, an external URL, rather than an external tool, which I learned does not facilitate, unfortunately, then it's going to be difficult for me to ensure that all the students do it. Anyways, so to go to it, hopefully my internet will work okay. Okay, so for this activity, I want them to make a quick recording. I think I have a 1.5 minute maximum to respond to the following prompt: to reflect on your lives and identify a memory when the weather has impacted your day. Weather is literally happening all the time, all around us. So maybe it caused you to have a great sunny, warm day, or maybe you forgot your rain boots and had to walk home in a downpour. There's absolutely no right or wrong answer, and to be yourself. And then I want them to do 2 required replies and, revisit the discussion and listen to your peers' comments. Select 2 comments that you connect with your own memories, and in some way, any memory, not necessarily the memory that you shared in your own comment. And each of the 2 replies share that connection with your peer. So one thing that you'll see a difference between this one and the Wisdom Wall one is I didn't realize that you could post the overview video here. So I think this is the overview video. Hi, everyone. So this may be your first time using FlipGrid. That is totally okay. But this is a fun little media piece where you get to record videos of yourself and then post them, and then or it can be a voice as well. And then you will come back and listen to your peers' responses, and then you can reply to them. So we're going to try it this first time with an icebreaker. I know we're doing an icebreaker discussion board already, but this is just kind of a different media sort of way. So I will give instructions on of what the topic is, even though there's written instructions, but I will share my own personal memory with you, which is what the prompt is, okay? So I want you to think of a memory where the weather impacted your day. It's weather happening all the time, right? So maybe there was a really nice, beautiful, sunny day and you were in Dolores Park with your friends, or maybe it was a little bit more of a negative memory where it just started raining and you forgot your rain boots and so your feet got soaked, So it can be good or bad. There's no right or wrong answer here. And in my next video, I will share with you my memory of weather. Okay, so I do feel like I can improve on that a little bit now that I've rewatched it. Maybe be a little bit more concise in the instructions. So any feedback would be delightful. And then here is, I think, my memory. Okay. So one time where weather impacted my life was when I was in Bali, I think, or on the Gili Islands, and we were having this outdoor kind of festival sort of thing that a friend had been putting on, and I could see when the sun was going down that there was a bunch of thunderstorm-looking clouds kind of off in the distance, and I was super stoked. I love watching lightning, especially at night. And the rains came to the islands that we were on, and it was downpouring, and I was on the beach, and I was running around with a cocktail in my hand, just having a fucking blast. And it was a really, really fun memory of that trip. And I love severe weather. You will get to know this with me. So I hope that that memory made you smile, and I cannot wait to hear what everyone else has to say in that. All right. Okay, so that's that. I think let me double check the prompt here. Okay, so I think that's it. Thank you so much.